Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by cutting off automatic triggers. Open your browser and go directly to Settings. Once there, change Startup or Home page values to a safe page and check the list of installed extensions. Remove any extension you did not install or that looks suspicious. Then, make sure to open Task Manager or System Preferences Users and Groups and disable programs that launch at boot, because stopping them now prevents the sites from reappearing while you continue. Next, perform cleanup steps that remove lingering infections and settings. Run a full antivirus scan and follow with a dedicated anti-malware tool. Let them quarantine or remove threats. Once done, reset your browser settings to default to restore search engine and homepage values, and then clear cache, cookies, and site permissions to remove stored redirects. Make sure to reboot after removals, because some changes only take effect after a restart, and that prevents immediate reactivation. Finally, harden your system to prevent recurrence. Update your browser and operating system, enable automatic updates, and change passwords where necessary. You should use strong, unique passwords. If the problem persists, create a fresh user profile or try a different browser to isolate settings issues. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode or use a portable browser to test whether the unwanted pages still open. If they do, the issue is system-wide. If not, it's a profile or extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.